Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely a perfect way to check to see if you have any leaks in your home when it comes to heat or cold air escaping or getting in. Also, make sure your kind of ductworks are working perfect, because it is a thermal camera. This thing is really, really cool. It was sent over by a company called VEVOR. Obviously going to come with a user manual that tells you about it. We're covering a lot of the features here in the video. Now you are going to get this little bag, so that way you can keep the camera in it when you are not utilizing it. I just keep it in my tool workbench and it works great. Now it does come with a USB to USB Type-C charging cable, because this thing does have a built-in battery. It's a 3200 mAh battery, which is going to last for about 7 hours of runtime, depending on your various settings. But as you can see, here it is. It's pretty compact, comes with a nice little lanyard, so you can go ahead and loop it to things if you need to. Also does have a screw hole on the bottom for a typical tripod if you need to mount this for any reasons. I just use it as handheld, very comfortable, fits naturally in the hand, has a little trigger there, so that's what you're gonna press to activate it. But on the top part, this is where you're gonna charge it up, and then you're gonna see there's a micro SD card in there, because this thing can record photos and videos of what you are looking at. So if you do need to review that or show a client or anything like that, send them in an email and all that, it works great for that. So it works very well for professional use as well. So how are you gonna activate it? Simply go ahead and hit that power button and it's going to turn on. There is a protective door. Go ahead and pop that open, and then you're gonna see, you're gonna have all your various little sensors right here in the front, and that's basically what's going to be doing the reading. Now at the top, you're gonna notice it does have two LED white lights. So you can turn this into like a flashlight situation. So if you are doing reading at dusk time, it's going to allow you to do that. But as you can see, it works very well. In the center is where it's going to do your readings. And then at the top, it's going to tell you your temperature. So it's going to tell you your center temperature. So my hand is sitting there at 84. And if I move it back to the wall, it drops down to 65. Now it's also going to tell you the max and the min of the whole screen. And you'll notice it's going to adjust. There's a color chart here on the end. It's going to adjust depending on what it sees. So that way you can really see those hot spots and those cold spots. However, if you don't like this particular screen, this thing does have several more color pattern modes. It has 6 total. You can easily adjust those through the settings and just however you want by simply tapping those different little arrow buttons, and you're going to go through the color ones, the different color ones. It even does a kind of a little screen in the middle so you can see what's around it if you want. So pretty cool aspect when utilizing, very, very customizable. Now, as far as the operating temperature range of this thing, it's gonna go from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're operating this thing in a volcano, you're gonna be good to go. Now, as far as the detailed screen itself, this is a 2.4 inch LCD screen, so it's very easy to see. At least I find it very easy to see. And then it has a TISR enhanced screen. So basically what does that mean? It's basically boosting the kind of the colors, and so it makes it easier to read the contrast. You can turn that on and off as you wish. It does affect the resolution. So with enhanced, you're sitting at 240 by 180 at 25 hertz. If you just want to use the straight infrared lens, you're sitting at 96 by 96. So it has some customable features in there. But like I said, you got those 4 different image options of basically your variable, your infrared, your fusion, and your PIP. And then in top of that, through the settings, you can adjust those 6 different color settings. So depending on whatever you want and look at, you're going to be good to go. And you're also going to adjust your flashlight through the settings as well. And then it does come with that 8 gigabit storage as far as the micro SD card. So if you don't have to get an extra micro SD card. But overall, like I said, if you're looking for a really easy to use portable thermal camera setup, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.